I'm here at the brand new Hampton Inn in Lincoln, New Hampshire. This is known as the Hampton Inn White Mountains, in case if you're looking for it. I'm gonna go inside, get checked in. This place looks beautiful. Brand new looking hotel. Beautiful views of the mountains around here. I'm gonna definitely show you all around. I'm gonna give you a tour of the hotel, tour of our room, but let's go get checked in first. Let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
Here's your coffee. Welcome to the Granite State. We got these nice little seating areas here. This is cool. Where you can plug in, you can do work. Huh. Interesting. The Hampton cookies are back, yay. They got a little treat area there as well. I think the laundry is this way. I'm trying to see if I can find it. I think Tori might be down here already. Let's see. It's $4. I don't even have that much. And I don't have my wallet on me.
Well, you might have enough in here.
I buy detergent for $2. Anyway, this is the laundry room. 24 hours. $4. I've never seen it that high. I thought $1.50 was high. $4 is ridiculous. So they got earbud recycling. That's interesting. You use them, then you put them in there. That's pretty cool. All right, so they got some free weights in here. They've got kettlebells. They've got gigantic big balls. They've got wipes, towels, stair stepper, a couple of treadmills, and a stationary bike. And I'm guessing Tori's probably going to definitely come down and use this tonight. Maybe not, because we did a lot of hiking today. We hiked a lot, like miles and miles and miles. So she may not come down, but if she does, she's got a good place to use this because it looks amazing in here. It looks nice. Nice and clean and fresh smelling too. And the pool is from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. I'm not going to film in there currently because there's kids in there. That's the pool. And it's just rooms this way. I'll have to show you the pool either later on tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. Usually in the mornings they tend to be empty. Just like I got to show you the breakfast area. Speaking of which, it's from 6:30 to 10:30, which is a little different. And then here on the first floor, if you come in the back entrance, or you come to use the elevator, they have an ice machine. They have the carts so you can bring up your things to your room. And they have some wipes, and they have some travel info for the area. The one thing I will give a lot of credit to about this hotel, the laundry room, no, that price is ridiculous. I can't believe it's going to cost us $8 to do one load of laundry. I'm pissed that I'm out of underwear. Almost willing to go commando. Save me the $8. But anyway, the one thing I will definitely say about this hotel though is everything smells fresh and smells clean, which I like. There's no musty smells. You get into the elevator, the fitness room, the pool, everything smells really good. Oh, cool. We got the carousel guy. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's a little warm in here. Maximum roommate for this one. Wow. Whew. $799. Oh my. Yikes. Alright, let's see what we got. Sink. Got a couple of towels. We should be good on towels. We're only here one night. We got bathtub, shower with the stuff. Quick tour. Have to look at this a little closer later. Let's see what's in here. Okay, hangers, ironing board, iron, extra blanket if you need it. I don't love the connecting rooms. I wish hotels would stop doing this. This is a new hotel, so they just built this one. I get why connecting rooms are kind of cool, but if I don't want a connecting room, don't give it to me. Give it to somebody who wants it. Here's the racks to hang up jackets. You can see we already kind of put our suitcases here. We got 2 twin beds. Amana thermostat. Hopefully the beds are nice and clean. Let me flip on these lights so it's a little easier to see. There we go. No drawer space there, but there's a nice little shelf to put your glasses and your water bottle, that kind of stuff on. We got some shelves here. You can tell they don't get used because they're tough. We got a microwave down here. We got a mini fridge. Please tell me it's working because we've got stuff we've got to keep cold. I can't see. It feels pretty cold. Got a little coffee maker here with some coffee. What kind of coffee they give us? Oh, it's just the regular Hampton Inn, regular and decaf. I haven't seen that in a while. Usually they have like special brands. Hello. That's some interesting artwork there. And let's see our $1 million view. Or a $799 view if we were paying the max, which we ain't even coming close to that. Wow, nice view of the mountains here. That's pretty. Parking lot down here below. As you can see, we checked in a little early tonight. We've had a long day, but it was a short day at the same time, so if that makes any sense. So we're checked in like just before dinner time, around 5 o'clock. The thing I like, if you guys know me and watch our channel regularly, I love trains. There's train tracks out here. Maybe I'll get lucky and a train will go by. Most people would say, ugh, train tracks next to the hotel? God, it's going to wake me up. I'm used to it. I'm used to hearing the trains. Kind of actually helps me sleep better, I guess. Pretty decent looking room. There's one thing that I did notice when I first came in. There's like spots all over the floor here, and it looks like it almost might be like drips of like concrete or drywall or something. They've gotten stained over the little bit of time this place has been opened. But all in all, it seems like a pretty decent room so far. Oh, there's a hair in the bathtub right there. I didn't notice that on my first look. There's a hair in there. Yeah, shower might not be the cleanest, but overall it looks pretty decent. And just outside the pool here too, they got this nice seating area out here. That's nice. It's nice to be able to come and sit outside, especially on a nice sunny morning like this. That's the outdoor seating area that I just showed you guys. It's right outside the pool, like I was saying. There's the door for it right there. You can see they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables with chairs in here, which is nice. They've got nice looking towels. Pool rows, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then the pool itself. Let's take a quick walk around here. You've got the chair to lift disabled people in, if need be. Pool's 3 feet on the shallow end, which is good for the kiddos. And then 5 feet on the deep end, which gives the adults a little bit more space to stretch out. Yeah, this is your pool. Look at this interesting looking like butterfly or whatever the heck this thing is. Never seen nothing like that before. What are these things? Are those butterflies? Moths? Look at the detail on this thing. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. So anyway, this is your pool area. It's hot in here. We finally got a nice sunny day outside. It's probably gonna be about 76 today, I believe, the temperature here. But inside this pool area, it's hot. I'm sweating in here just walking around, which I guess is good because then it'll make the pool feel good, because we felt the pool water last night and it was chilly. So I guess this is a non-heated pool. So this is your lobby area / breakfast seating area. Lots of places to sit. This is going to wrap up our visit here to the Hampton Inn in Lincoln, New Hampshire. Thanks so much for watching this. Final notes, the breakfast was kind of limited. Like, Tori actually didn't end up eating really anything for breakfast. She just had some water and some coffee. They just had eggs, they had sausage, cereal, waffles. They didn't have any fresh fruit, but it could have been because we came down too late as well. I'm not sure. So, because we came down late for breakfast, the breakfast went till 10:30 and we didn't go down until after 9:30. So maybe the fruit was just gone for the day. It's a possibility. Make sure when you guys are staying at these hotels, whether they're Marriott, Hiltons, whatever brand it is, that you get recognized for your loyalty points. Like Tori's diamond status at Hilton, and when we checked in, we didn't even think about it because we were checking in, we were worried about dinner. We didn't get like the little gift that they give you, which is usually like a Coke or some chips or some cookies or a couple of things. And I just happened to mention it to the guy when we were checking out, and I said, oh, we didn't get anything last night, but we didn't really want it last night anyway. And he said, oh, well, let me check. So he looked up our account. He saw that she's diamond status, and he added it to the, for some reason it wasn't added to the reservation. So always make sure you're mentioning that so that you get your stuff that you're supposed to get. He couldn't have been nicer about it. The guy's name was Tobias. He's the manager. He was here last night. He was here again this morning when we checked out. Very, very good. Very nice. Very kind. Anything you ask him, he helps you out. Very, very pleasant. If you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, guys. Leave us a comment down below. You ever stayed in this area? Would I stay at this hotel again? It was a little pricey, but everything in this area is pricey. So that's not really the issue. The hotel's clean. It's new. Just a few, a few small things. The breakfast could have been better. And then the one thing I noticed too was a lot of the employees are always lingering watching TV in the lobby. I noticed it last night when I was doing laundry and I had to go get change. I noticed it last night when we checked in, when we checked out this morning, breakfast. The breakfast guy was getting the breakfast area set, and then he was just going and sitting and watching TV, which I thought was a little weird. To be sitting in the breakfast area watching TV, like they literally have a table where all the employees are sitting and they just watch TV. It's kind of strange, but they're pleasant. They couldn't be more polite. The place is clean, so they're doing their jobs. Just found it a little weird, that's all. All right, guys, safe travels. We'll see you soon.